Are you a Christian homeschooling parent who's fed up with dry textbooks? If you are, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org, and today I'm going to show you how to teach your kids for better retention and more fun and more depth of study than dry textbooks. Unit studies are an educational approach where everything is put together under one theme. And so, for example, if you're studying ancient Egypt, you do your math in the morning, which is a textbook, okay? But every other topic that is knowledge related, you can delve into through unit studies. Okay? And this replaces the textbooks. It's not something that you add to what you're already doing. So, for example, we studied astronomy, a full year of astronomy in 1 month. Yes, okay. So you can delve into a topic for 3 hours, 5 hours, however long you want. And your reading, your writing, your science, your history, everything interrelates under that one theme. And so you have connections in your mind that the student is then able to retain that information while having fun. Another really great thing about unit studies is that all of the kids in the whole family are able to do one science instead of 4 different science textbooks if you have 4 kids. And the bigger your family, the more useful this is. Also, hands-on activities are interrelated with the theme. So when you are learning something, the best way to learn it is by doing it. And so unit studies include that. If this style of learning intrigues you, click the link in or around this video to find hundreds of unit studies. I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching.